Thank you very much. I also welcome you for the BRISKEE project team. The first part today will be the BRISKEE final conference. The project will end in the end of this year. Therefore, we will present all final results which we developed in this project and which you can also find on the website. I will first make a short introduction in the whole project, and then my colleagues will present some details on the results. Okay, first overview, very quick, of the project, and afterwards some detailed presentations and the possibility for questions and discussions after the detailed presentations. The main objective of the BRISKEE project was to provide evidence-based input for energy efficiency policy design in the residential sector, and thereby also to support the market uptake of energy efficiency technologies in this sector. We had four main issues we explored in this project. The first was at a micro level, that is to get a better understanding of the role of time and risk preferences for energy efficient for investments in energy efficiency by private households. We then looked at a policy level and looked what these decisions and the policies which influence these decisions, which is the impact on residential energy consumption. Then we had a broader look at the macroeconomic impacts of these changes. That is part of the multiple benefits of energy efficiency, especially at employment and GDP. And in the end, based on all this, we also made some policy recommendations for policies, energy efficiency policies in the residential sector. To look at these questions, we made an analysis at three levels. The first was the micro level of the decisions in private households, and this was based on a big household survey. We included 8 countries and around 15,000 households. And the results of this survey then went into the second level, which was a modeling analysis. We used 2 models for the residential sector, a building model in WorldE Lab from the Technical University of Vienna and a Fraunhofer model for household appliances. There we looked at all EU member states, that is the results from the survey for 8 countries were extrapolated also to other countries. And the last part was the macro level of the analysis, that is, it was also a modeling analysis, the modeling of the macroeconomic impacts with the Fraunhofer model Astra. Well, as I said, the geographical focus was first in the survey on 8 European countries. Nevertheless, we chose the countries so that we already included around 3/4 of residential energy consumption in the EU, and also around that of the population. And we also looked at several regions so that an extrapolation to different groups of countries was possible. The technological scope of our analysis of the project was on 3 different technologies taking into account 3 different cost categories. We had one low-cost technology, that is lighting. We looked at large household appliances as a medium cost category, and high-cost investments. We looked at thermal retrofitting and heating, and as you can see with these technologies, we almost include well, around 80% of residential energy consumption. That is, most of the energy consumption is in fact included in this project. Well, that's for a very quick introduction, and now you will get presentations on all these 3 levels of the analysis, and in the end, a look at some policy implications. Thank you very much.